Hi my lovely friends, welcome to Alisa Beauty District. Today I'd love to share with you 3 quick and easy hairstyles that anyone could do it. Is whether for yourself or for your little girl at home. It's very simple to do, so let's begin. My first simple hairstyle, I start parting my hair and then tied it up like so. And then on the other side, start picking up some of the pieces of the hair, start twisting it inward, and keep twisting it down, keep adding some of the hair as you go, doing it until you reach down to the bottom, just behind the ear level, and then continue to twist it and wrapping around the ponytail, and secure it with bobby pins. That's done for my first look. Very simple and yet so gorgeous. My second style is having the same side ponytail, but this time I'm going to create it like a nice simple braids and then keep adding on the hair as I braid it down. Just like the last hairstyle, I wrapped it around the ponytail and then secure it with bobby pin. If you have such a little time, try this. I know you'll love it. This third style is just another variation of ponytail. We just need to tidy the top half of the hair and then make sure we leave the fringe out. Nice and long straight hair with fringe out just make it look younger. So don't forget to add on your cute bow. It will be so perfect, I reckon. Thank you guys for watching. Please thumbs up if you like this and see you in next video. Bye!